Hey everyone, in this brief tutorial I'm going to explain how you can create this moving object in the material on the GPU side. It's much more optimized way to move objects. And one possible issue what you can have, and I solved it with the node clamp. Okay, let's start. I made previously the material and it's just glowing. So let's add a little bit here, changes. First of all, we need to add the node of our world position of the object. So we need to write absolute world position. Yeah, here it is. And from here, we need to add the vector parameter. So to make and call it, you need to press 3 and left click. It's very fast to make. Here we need to add the color, but we don't need the color. Honestly, we need to add a little bit up moving. So let's add only that a little bit and multiply our position with this z new vector. And to make it work, we need to add also from the time it. So we need to multiply one more time. And now we need to connect to absolute world position of set. And you can see this our object on here on the viewport is moving. And it's great. And it's super optimized because it works on GPU level. So if you have CPU very loaded and you want to add some changes, more optimized, I mean, you can add, I think in this way, it's much better for optimization. And you can play with the values. I mean, you can add, for example, 8. And we will see something more bigger with the values. Also, you need to know about this output of this node. That's you need to be care of using it without clamp, because there can be a problem when your object is here. It's bouncing, but not so a lot. If you want to see the changes, so if you will up this object, it will bounce much more in the distance. I mean, you can see much more higher because this z value is increased, and our multiplier adds much more to it. So here is not a lot moving. So to make it work dynamically and differently, you need to clamp this value. I added the clamp behind multiply, so it should be here. And
If
now
this
we
isn't
have a
surreal, I
clamp.
don't know what is.
Yeah,
And
totally. It's
it goes
insane.
smoothly like it
I mean, the ship
works
looks small
previously.
from here.
The ship looks
And
tiny
with
from
the
here.
more lower value. But now we don't have the bug when it moves much more on the distance, when it's has much more value. So be aware, and you should know this, and you should know this also how to fix it clamp, to have a limit for it. You don't need to work only from the world position because it can be huge. So the multiplier of moving will be also bigger. And to have it the same, you need to clamp, and you need to know this. So guys, hopefully this tutorial was helpful. So if you like this video, please press like, and you can also subscribe to the channel. It motivates me to create more content. Thank you for watching, and bye.